Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am outside currently and I wanted to do a video on a couple of new handbags that I got. So when I was in New York, I decided, you know what, I want a handbag. I want something like really nice, something that goes with like plenty of outfits, that's casual but like almost like quiet luxury vibes, but then also is like, I don't know, really chic. Like, I don't know. I didn't want Chanel. I didn't want, I did want Hermes, but I didn't go to the Hermes store in time. So when I was at Bergdorf's, I saw like a whole array of bags and this one brand stuck out to me. So I'm going to show you both of the bags one at a time, but this is the first bag, and I think this bag is so sexy. Like, this is what it looks like on the inside, and the way it closes, it's just these two magnets. So you just, and it locks, or not locks, but it closes like that, and it's not easy to open. And then you just pop it open like that, but it doesn't have any pockets inside. It's just very like minimal. So yeah, and then also in the bag is this, and the bag is called the Penelope bag, and it does have instructions for the strap, which I'll show you in a minute, because the strap is one of my favorite parts of the bag. I absolutely love this, and I currently have most of the strap tucked into the bag, but if I were to untuck it, it actually kind of looks like this. And then I can adjust it and make it super long crossbody. And I still have one more hole where I could make it even a longer version of like the crossbody if I wanted to. But like the strap, I kind of like it this way, but I also really like it when it's shorter. So I'm going to just adjust it back to the shorter length. And there you go, it's back to the shorter length. I just like it being a shoulder bag like this. I just think it looks really, really nice and cute and chic, and I do like that you have the options of making it a crossbody though. I think that's so, so nice. And then on the side, this part right here actually opens. I don't know why exactly, but I'm sure for the construction of the bag is so that you could possibly, like, I don't know, fit more inside of it or something like that. No, I truly, truly, truly try not to overstuff my bags. So with this, it fits so much that it's so tempting to overstuff this or want to overstuff this, but like I try my best not to. So yeah, so this is the first bag. This is the Penelope bag. And then this is the other bag. So this one, the color of this is so beautiful. It's this gorgeous eggplant color, and I just loved the shape of this. I loved that you could fit like an endless supply of things in here. It also doesn't have any pockets in it at all. It's just like a bucket bag. So it's just like a bag you just dump everything in. Currently I have my perfume in there, but I think the color is what made me get this, because I have nothing in this color. Like, this matches the interior of, like, you know, regular Chanel bags, but I don't have anything by itself in this color. So I love it. I like also that the straps are adjustable, even though I have no interest in adjusting them. They are adjustable, and it's just the perfect shoulder bag. Like, honestly, the perfect shoulder bag. I love it for that reason alone. I just think it's so, so perfect. This bag right here was $780. And then this bag right here is $1,040. So yeah, these are my two newest bags from the same brand, but I just like that they are kind of a lower price point, but like still so chic, and it's very much like if you know, you know. And you know what? The reason I got these is because I was buying a few items from the row, and I personally felt like these gave off a very the row vibe. So I was like, I loved the vibe I was getting when I saw these, so I was like, I have to have them. So I love them. I love the colors, and I like that okay, so they do have labels on them, but like, can you see the label when you look at this bag at first sight? No, the label is right here, and that's what I like about this bag. So subtle, like it's not like in your face. It's not like in your face. I like how subtle it is. I like that the labels, or like the brand name, is so tiny on the bag. I really, really love that. So, and then on this bag, it's the same, like really, really teeny tiny, like you can barely even read it. And if you turn it to the side, it's not there at all. Just very, just like minimal, and like if you know, you know. And I am really into classic pieces, and I just feel like this bag used to be in style like 30-40 years ago, and now it's back in style, and it's never like going to, like, even if it goes out of style, it's never going to go out of style because people are still going to wear it, and I'm still going to wear this. And I don't know, I just think the leather is really high quality. Wandler is definitely a bag brand that I think you guys should look into. I really just, I can't say enough nice things about it, but I think one of my favorite things about it, other than like the colors and the quality, has to be the price point. It's a great price point in my opinion. Do you guys like these bags? Would you guys buy a bag from this brand? Do you like the price point? Let me know what you think of these bags in the comments below. I'm really interested to know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.